What's up everyone, Praful here. Welcome back to another episode of the 915 Daily. Today is Thursday, 22nd of Jan, and yet again we saw a crazy volatile trading day. Today was Sensex expiry and the markets opened with a decent gap up, almost 400 points ke saath gap up khula Sensex, and even after the gap up, the markets kept heading higher. So 82,500 pe markets open hua, and within the first 20 minutes, the markets went to 82,800. And in this 300 point up move, the wall surprisingly spiked. सेंसेक्स का straddle जो 420 rupees पे ट्रेड कर रहा था, it spiked all the way till 490, and even the Nifty's OTM puts went up almost 100% when the markets was shooting up. So this was kind of a surprise move, and there was a lot of skew that developed on the Nifty's puts. And once Sensex hit 82,800, it tanked almost 800 points to reach 82,000 levels, and this exploded the puts almost 4 to 5 times. Post that, the market was in a decent range. Of course, there was a lot of commotion. Chota range mein hi काफी ज़्यादा markets volatile swings दे रहे थे, and the put options and the call options were doubling and tripling in a span of less than 15 minutes. And even towards the end, the gamma was massive. Just to give you context, post 245, both the call options 10x and put options 10x, and I also personally got stuck, and today was one of the biggest hits in the last 7 or 8 months for me. I almost ended with 1% loss today. With today's loss, my Jan has turned flat, and I can see a lot of my trader friends, everyone is in the same boat. Either they are running flat or they are in red in the month of Jan. So we have just 1 week for the budget, and the pre-budget volatility is through the roof. On the commodities front, today there was a massive drop in silver ETFs. So Indian silver ETFs were trading a significant premium compared to the futures and compared to the COMEX prices. But today, when the silver future fell by 6%, the Indian silver ETFs fell as high as 20%. But again, towards the end of the day, there was some amount of recovery. But towards the day end, most of the silver ETFs closed 10% lower. So tomorrow is Friday, and it is a 2DT for Nifty. So let's get to the terminal and let's see क्या trade opportunities बन सकता है. On the daily time frame, we got some sort of a indecisive doji kind of a candle, and yes, the markets have taken a support somewhere around 25,000 levels, and markets are steadily heading higher. But again, going into the budget week, the volatility is expected to rise. And given the fact that next week we have Nifty's monthly expiry, so there will be a lot of rolling over of positions, offloading of positions, loading of directional bets. So the volatility is expected to rise. So on a lower time frame, yes, though we had some sort of a non-event kind of a day from a positional front, but intraday price action was quite volatile. You can notice that we gapped up by quite an amount, almost Nifty almost 150 points का एक gap up देखने को मिला, and even after the gap up, the market started to head higher. And in this up move, surprisingly, even the OTM put options started gaining. Even far OTM options like 24,600 put options, they also gained by almost 80 to 100% in this up move. And when the market started coming down, the wall started to cool down, and then those puts also started losing in value. So towards the end of the day, of course, there was a sharp pullback, there was a sharp recovery, and Nifty में ज़्यादा इसका effect देखने को नहीं मिला, but on the Sensex options which were trading at such a low base, the gamma was quite rampant. To talk about the Sensex straddles, so as I said, we opened at somewhere around 440, and within the first 5 minutes, the straddles dropped to almost 420, and यहाँ से during that up move, the straddle went all the way till 500, and from that point onwards, the straddle held for almost 2 to 3 hours. So this almost reminded the days when Jane Street was quite active in the Indian markets. Markets दोनों तरफ delta move दे रहा था, markets 300-400 point ऊपर नीचे जा रहा था, but the straddle was not giving up. So I was also pretty much trapped in these moves, and दोनों तरफ मेरा delta adjustment cost लगी, but straddle में decay देखने को नहीं मिला था. So at almost 11 o'clock, I was already sitting on a mark-to-market loss of 0.5%. And towards the end of the day, I kind of recovered back that loss, almost 0.2, 0.3 के आसपास negative पे trade कर रहा था. But then towards the end of the day, the gamma moves again trapped me in both the directions, and I had to close somewhere around 1% post charges. So again, a tough day for me as well. And after today's loss, my Jan is not really great, and I'm running flat for the month of Jan, and I have only 2 more expiries, and I have no intentions to make money or something. The goal for the next couple of expiries is just to preserve and not to give any losses. So Sensex के लिए today was quite a difficult expiry both for like algo traders as well as discretionary traders, because discretionary trade करने के लिए the premiums were quite jumpy, काफी जल्दी move हो रहा था. In less than 5 minutes the premiums were doubling and then halving. So if somebody wanted to make the markets, let's say somebody wanted to fill their prices using limit orders, it was kind of a nightmare kind of a day. Generally मैं थोड़ा limit orders prefer करता हूँ fill करने के लिए because of the size, and I was massively adversely selected today, and that also led to almost 0.2% loss just because I was not getting the right fills and I was chasing the prices, and then I used to get almost the top, and जहाँ पे मेरा fill होता था वहाँ से prices collapse होते थे. It happened multiple times throughout the day, but again one of those days where nothing works for you. You just have to pick the pieces and move on. So tomorrow is Nifty's trading because Nifty का जो 2DT है, and you can notice that the straddle of Nifty also held throughout the day. Almost 1 o'clock तक straddle hold किया था 280 के आसपास, and only in the last 2 hours the straddle massively dropped 280 से almost 230 के आसपास. 50 point का एक straight decay देखने को मिला है, and 230 again in this volatile environment is definitely not expensive premiums. इसको delta neutral trade करने के लिए या short wall trade करने के लिए definitely try नहीं करना चाहिए. So we should only be trying to take some sort of a directional bets, either mean reversion और trend following kind of a bets. So कल के लिए एक काफी wide range, एक straight forward kind of a wide range day हमको देखने को नजर आ रहा है. Today's high which is 25,450 and today's low which is 25,150. In this 300 points we can plan some mean reversion trades. But again अगर market flat मतलब इतना रेंज में अगर खुलता है, लेट्स से 25,300 से लेके 25,250 के बीच मार्केट खुलता है, तो देन एनी डिप टुवर्ड्स 25,150 कैन बी बॉट विथ दिस लो एज द स्टॉप लॉस. जो कल का क्लोजिंग आवर्स का जो लो बना है उसको हम लोग स्टॉप लॉस की तरफ ट्रीट करके यहाँ पे हम लोग एक लॉन्ग ट्रेड प्लान कर सकते हैं, मीन रिवर्शन ट्रेड. एंड एट द सेम टाइम अगर मार्केट ऑलमोस्ट 150 पॉइंट इंट्राडे में रेंज मूव करता है तो देन 25,450 के आसपास हम लोग एक शॉर्ट ट्रेड इनिशिएट कर सकते हैं विथ 25,500 एज द स्टॉप लॉस. एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा है स्टॉप लॉस एक्चुअली हिट होने की, बिकॉज मार्केट्स आर एंटरिंग एन इवेंट विथ क्वाइट अ बिट ऑफ वोलेटिलिटी एंड क्वाइट अ बिट ऑफ news flow around. So ट्रेड विथ 30% और लेसर साइज. मैं कल से मतलब मैं लास्ट एक हफ्ते से मैं यही चीज बता रहा हूं कि ट्रेड विथ अ स्मॉलर साइज, बिकॉज मार्केट्स में वोलेटिलिटी ऑलरेडी पिकअप हो चुकी है. तो अगर आप नॉर्मल साइज के थ्रू 1% आपका मार्क टू मार्केट स्विंग होता था, तो विद द सेम साइज विद द करंट वोलेटिलिटी आपका जो मार्क टू मार्केट स्विंग है वो 2% होने वाला है. बिकॉज यू आर नॉट यूज टू सीइंग दोज काइंड्स ऑफ मार्क टू मार्केट स्विंग्स, आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट होने से पहले आप पोजीशन के साथ छेड़छाड़ करोगे एंड यू विल ओवरराइड योर रूल्स and it will lead to the breaking of discipline. All right, तो कल के लिए बाकी ज्यादा मतलब कुछ प्लान नहीं करने वाला है, बिकॉज टुमारो इज फ्राइडे. ना हमको टीटा डीके मिलने वाला है, ना हमको ज्यादा वॉल क्रश मिलने वाला है. सो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली विल ओनली ट्रेड इफ द मार्केट ओपन्स फ्लैट. इस रेंज के बीच ओपन होता है देन ओनली विल ट्रेड. इफ एट ऑल द मार्केट गैप्स अप मैसिवली और गैप्स डाउन मैसिवली, विल लेट द डे गो. हमको ट्रेड नहीं करना चाहिए बिकॉज फ्राइडे है एंड वी आर गोइंग इन टू द मंथली एक्सपायरी का वीक विथ अ लॉट ऑफ न्यूज फ्लो एंड विथ द वोलेटिलिटी पिकिंग अप. सो मेरे लिए दो ही पॉसिबिलिटी है, मतलब मेरे प्लान के अंदर सिर्फ दो ही चीजें. मतलब मार्केट बहुत ज्यादा सिनेरियोस दिखा सकता है, बट मैं सिर्फ तब प्लान करूंगा जब मार्केट यहां पे ओपन होगा टू 25,300 एंड 25,250 के बीच ओपन होगा, एंड देन इंट्राडे में ऑलमोस्ट 150 पॉइंट्स ट्रैवल करेगा. तो देन आई विल टेक अ मीन रिवर्शन ट्रेड अराउंड दिस लेवल एंड आई विल टेक अ मीन रिवर्शन ट्रेड अराउंड दिस लेवल. ठीक है, उसके अलावा मैं कुछ भी ट्रेड प्लान नहीं करने वाला हूं, बिकॉज यहां पे थोड़ा सिनेरियो डाइसी लग रहा है. एंड एट द सेम टाइम माई जैन मंथ इज नॉट दैट ग्रेट. आई एम running flat for Jan month, so there is no point in actually taking some sort of a impulsive trades. All right, I hope you guys had a respectable expiry. Thoda matlab expiry mein I hope that you survived today's expiry. I'll see you again after tomorrow's market action. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.